Wow. Mic wasn't even on. 13 scary videos where something felt wrong.
With that said, let's begin.
Kind of a weird picture to just preface with. Just that? Like, what am I supposed to be like, oh, ominous. Like, this is scary now. I don't...
Able 3E, who says the security camera footage in question was filmed at his friend's.
Oof, I need more followers. Follow back.
Everything seems perfectly normal and peaceful. But
this is going to be a ring. I feel like we've seen this.
That quickly changes when this shows up on camera.
Yeah, dude, we've seen this exact video. I think it was in his Bizarre Butt video. Dude, I'm skipping it. Literally just, that was a really recent video. We just saw that. And this is brand new. This was 5 hours ago, dude. I'm on the pulse with this, okay? Like, come on.
A man named Sean D. Austin posted a video to his TikTok account on March 22nd, 2026.
That's a pretty big account. I don't like this right off rip.
Filmed inside his home in the middle of the night.
His father? Dude, it's going in a straight line to the hallway. Like, it feels like you rigged this. I almost think I can see it right here. Am I tripping? I almost think I could see the line that you have, that you're pulling it with. That's actually smart, though. Do it like a puppet, you know? Have 3 lines on it. Pull it whichever direction you need to do. I mean, this is a lot of people we need here. Dude's really going for it. That's it.
Right from the beginning of the footage.
Dude, his father in that font too. I mean, I don't know about that. I just feel like this is like heavily edited. Also kind of a weird spot to have your security camera. Like it's not really, like they're beyond inside at this point. And you're not really facing at any like main entry. I don't know. This just, a whole thing feels like fake.
What's especially strange is that the movement continues throughout much of the video.
He's pulling it in all kinds of ways, and it's a good idea because of the wheels. So it looks like, oh man, how's that? But it's moving like the wheels should move. Like it's not abnormal. Because it would just be like sliding, like drifting off of like no movement, you know? Like if it was just being pushed. Wow, and dude not... Wait, what? Huh? Dude, I feel like he knocks it over with the whole string setup. I mean...
The combination of the moving toy car and the falling picture frame is what is convincing.
Dude, no. I feel like that exposes him. I feel like that's like it clearly being fake. All right, whatever. No, I'm not gonna like off that one. Like that's not...
Going on a trip with your friends can be one of the most exciting and memorable experiences of your life. There's just something special about making new memories with people you care about.
Dude, this is such a fake, like, B-roll. Like, they clearly don't like each other. I can feel the chemistry's not there. Immediately, the hair situation. Like, I feel like y'all would just clash based on... I mean, am I just reaching at this point? Picking apart B-roll. I feel like this is not what we need to be.
Stinky Keeney, who posted this creepy video to her.
Stinky Keeney is gross. That sounds like a disease you got at spring break. Ooh, I got the SK. Because Stinky Keeney just don't roll off the tongue. I feel like you're gonna need an abbreviation for that. The SK just doesn't sound. I mean, that sounds like a good thing. Like I'm just moving on. I'm moving on.
According to her, she and her friends were taking photos with a disposable film camera while on a trip to Mexico, when one of the pictures ended up capturing something deeply unsettling.
Bro, if it's just the photo, I'm gonna be pissed. I don't know what's going on with all that though. Like I don't know what...
You could make out what appears to be a pale figure standing in the shadows.
Bruh, who's taking the picture though? Her? I don't think so. With a disposable camera like that? Am I tripping? This photo, you can't take this without the 4th person. What are you talking about, spooks? I don't know. You let me know if I'm dumb.
Video captured during a live stream of the Mayon volcano eruption in the Philippines. Quite a bit.
This is gonna be some dumb shadow
discussion online.
What are we doing? I mean, I don't know what that could be. I mean, there's so many other possible. I don't know what they do around volcanoes and just while they're going off. Like, I feel like somebody gonna want to be like monitoring that with a drone of sorts, maybe?
What appears to be a meteor streaks downward behind the volcano. Then, at approximately 22:33:23,
Okay, bro, what do we do? The time code? Are we...
a second object can be seen rising upward from the area, leading some viewers to compare to a UFO or some other unidentified object.
There's, like I said, there's too many possibilities, and none of them are like, ooh, this is scary. Like, something's off. Oh, boy. Okay. We got this, number 9. This is going to be the one. The only good one in this whole video, but this is going to be the one. Oh, God. It's just called Creepy Face, too.
Had a very different reason.
Where is this? This seems horrific. I mean, I hate driving it. Is this like New York or something? I'm sorry. Did we see that bus just completely cut traffic
May
off?
13th, 2026.
And he was like, chill with... Alright, sorry.
Caught in a major traffic jam late at night. As frustrating as that already is, something else quickly appears that makes the situation even stranger.
Oh, this guy's rigged up in the car. Huh? I feel like I understand what's happening here. I don't think that's recording, dude. I think you're playing back video. There's a very clear, like, red flashing light when it's recording, so that you know it's come on, dude. Everyone has a dash cam. I don't see the red light. Bro, and it's bumper to bumper everywhere. Like, you're gonna get that red all the time. I was caught onto this before I even knew it. Playing different video from before when he had a ride. Nope. I don't buy it. Damn it, dude. I was really hoping that was going to be it. So we are 4 deep, 0. 4 for 0.
Security camera footage to her TikTok account that was recorded in her backyard late at night in Bisbee, Arizona. This is what she found.
Yeah, but that's an RCG. That's a Ring camera glass. Comes all the time, and all the videos are like that. Like, it's not even exclusive to Ring. Plays the motion from before in the same clips sometimes. Like, that's just what happened. Why are we being children about it, though? Like, bro, this was today. You uploaded this today.
TikTok user Coven Haircuts posted a video to their account in July of 2020.
I bet it's gonna be the cat.
Including doors opening and closing on their own.
If you have a cat and you have a dog, I mean, we can just attribute stuff to other things at this point.
However, they claim what was captured on this particular night was on a completely different level.
This better be good, dude. Otherwise, you're just trying to further your haircutting business. Like, it's very obvious. It's not good, but go for it. Bro, cats just be catting. Like, that's what's going on here. They were fighting, like, it got scared. Like, you've never seen a cat just jump out of nowhere, like, completely 4 feet off the ground. This little guy does it all the time. Like, all the time.
As you just saw, what appears to be an unseen force suddenly drags a cat across the room.
He doesn't get dragged, though.
If that wasn't strange.
Does he?
An unseen force suddenly drags a cat across the room.
Bro, that's just cats being, like, springy, though.
If that wasn't strange enough, a chair can also be seen moving away from the table.
Bro, right where the cats are at, though. Right where the cats are at, what are you talking about? This one's hot garbage, bro. This whole video so far, bro. I hope we haven't seen any other ones, because we're just going to be screwed at that point. Oh my god, dude, you did a video on this one, though. Yeah, I've seen this on your... What?
For this next entry, we're taking a look at one of the recently released
okay, this was new.
UAP files, published by the United States Department of War.
Are they still putting stuff out? Like, nobody really notices?
The footage was reportedly captured in 2024 by an infrared sensor aboard a US military platform.
Bro, if this is the circle, though, that be moving up, it's the same video. Okay, I have not seen that. Whatever that is. It moves kind of natural, though. Plus, I mean, wouldn't they have to report anything that they can't identify? And I mean, through this, you're not going to identify anything that doesn't have like a defined shape. That's why I don't like the UFO stuff, man. I'm not going to count that either, dude. Especially because it's like, oh, the government said. All right. Dude, we got 5 more. This is like this is going to be really tough. I mean, with his average, like, we're just not going to get there.
On October 24th, 2025, a French TikTok user known as Darkcha posted a video showing a very strange experience she allegedly had while—
I'm hating this already. Like, come on, that's... Are we just f***ing around anymore? Like, bro. Oh my god. It was so stupid, bro. It's just like editing stuff. Because what kind of Yelp is that? Not how you'd respond if you saw smoke emitting from a source that you had no idea it's coming from. Like, that is not the same. No. 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 Why are we even making these videos if you're gonna just throw together garbage?
The footage follows the building's caretaker, Marion, as she securely closes the door leading to the Widow's Walk.
What is this? Why are we... What is the camera here for?
Before making her way to the billiards room, located just down the hall. It's what happens next that has caught the attention of so...
I mean, I understand that you're like a housekeeper and all, but like this is not an image that you need to see at any point. Like, it's not going to give you information of the whole, like, at all. Like, this is stupid. This better be like camera 604. I don't buy your acting there, Marion. Marion. Oh, let me look everywhere except for the camera. My name's Marion. My name's Marion, and I like manipulating people.
After leaving the billiards room, Marion discovers that the door to the Widow's Walk has somehow opened again. Rather than panicking, she calmly responds—
That ain't even that crazy, though. I mean, that's not super crazy, especially for an old-ass place like this that has a housekeeper, like, named Mary, bro. I genuinely feel like this might be the actual words. Every time I watch a new one, bro, every time I watch a new one, did he pass on garbage all in the beginning and now he's left with nothing but garbage? It's the only thing I can think. Otherwise, he doesn't care.
There's also another detail that many viewers found interesting. At the beginning of the clip, a voice can be heard saying, "Ugh. That's freezing."
That's freezing. And it was Marion's ass. Bro, I'm crazy, right? I'm 100% wrong on everything I've said so far, right? What the f***? That's freezing. That's her! That is Marion. Terrible, terrible video to start with. Holy.
And often records his nights on the road, presumably for safety and documentation purposes while making deliveries. On this particular night, however, Marcus claims he experienced something far stranger than
the graveyard. Bro, you showed me this video. What are we doing? You just copied the same video. The graveyard. We've seen this in 3 different videos now. And I think 2 of them were... I'm just in another realm today. I don't know. This is ridiculous. Mountain Orb. I don't want to watch Mountain Orb. That's not what I'm saying. Are you serious? Are you... Hello? 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 Am I awake, bro? Like, what the actual fuck? This is in this video. This is the same video. There's no way. There's no way. This is the exact same video.
The footage
oh, so he's just pulling them from here then. I mean, that's...
most likely original.
Okay, it's not the exact same video. I'm sorry. I think it's a cop out. I'm sorry for you to use two of the same source though. Like it's from the same collection of these videos. Show me what the video is. See, but that's what I'm saying. That anything unidentified flying object, anything, they have to cap. We didn't know what this was. We couldn't identify what it was. Yeah, look at the thing. There's no way to tell. It looks like a dead bird flying through the sky. It could be a drone. It could be a weather instrument, like I've said a million times. Like, this is just stupid.
TikTok user K, who goes by Your Fave Bipolar on the platform, works in the lockdown unit of a hospital located in an undisclosed area. She claims she spotted something on a security camera that left her completely unsettled. According to Kay, she was working late when she noticed something unusual appearing on one of the monitors.
Bro, who the fuck would even... You're just you're playing, dude. Bro, that's just some dumbass trying to climb the pole. Oh my god, this has been the actual worst video of search spooks that I have ever seen. And it's always the new ones, bro. I'm not liking it. I'm disliking it. I'm disliking it.